Watching Rajshri movies. So working with that production company was lovely for me. कि financial way में इस way में I should have found something else ताकि मैं इसको target कर सकूँ. I don't like to voice out discussions that I have with anybody behind closed doors.
Hello guys, welcome to Tele Masala. This is me, Ampika Singh.
And this is Akshan Mahajan. Yes, Ampika, what's up?
ऑल गुड सो अक्षुत पहले तो मुझे ये बताइए, बहुत सारा बज़ बना हुआ है, बहुत सारी कन्फ्यूजन्स है, सब लोग अपने हिसाब से ही एज्यूम कर रहे हुआ क्या क्या नहीं हुआ, बट आप बताइए मनपसंद की शादी आपने क्यों एग्जिट की?
अगेन मैंने पहले भी कहा है, टर्मिनोलॉजीज हैं, रिप्लेस, एग्जिट, टर्मिनेशन, जो भी है, बट द फैक्चुअल थिंग इज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई वाज प्लेइंग अ कैरेक्टर कॉल्ड अभिषेक दीवान एंड अक्षित इज प्लेइंग दैट कैरेक्टर नाउ. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. And I really wish him all the best, and I'm looking forward to. And I saw his acting yesterday also. I loved it. The way he's portraying that character, I loved it genuinely, and I'm still looking forward to it. आज भी देखूँगा episode, and at the same time, it was all a very good farewell that I received, and हमने cake काटा on the set. It was all very fun. And similarly, I'm still looking forward to working with Rajshri Productions, Colors Channel in the future, and test for more projects that they come up with. So yeah.
बट आपके दिमाग में कब आया ये कि हाँ मतलब मुझे कुछ और ट्राई करना चाहिए, मतलब यहाँ से मुझे ब्रेक लेना चाहिए, बिकॉज ये आर्टिस्ट की ही मर्जी होनी चाहिए कि मतलब उन्हें आगे करना है या नहीं, क्योंकि ये आपके ऊपर था कि मैं वो कर पा रहा हूँ या नहीं.
एक जो ये माध्यम है, ये जो मीडियम है इन लाइफ टू एक्ट, स्टोरी टेलिंग, मैं क्रिएटिव पर्सन खुद रह चुका हूँ 6-7 साल से, तो ये मेकर्स का भी कॉल हो सकता है, आर्टिस्ट का भी हो सकता है, किसी का भी हो सकता है, ये सिर्फ आर्टिस्ट का नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज at the end of the day, it's about the story and good of the story, the project, whether it's a film, web show, TV serial, an advertisement, last minute, कुछ भी changes हो सकते हैं, तो वो जायज़ है, जो भी जैसे भी होता है. तो I won't say कि artist का call होना चाहिए. At the same time, if it's the requirement of the character and if the artist is smart enough to understand that, they will always agree with the creators, because I remember my assistant director days, I used to agree with everything that my director, my writer used to say. सो सिमिलरली जो ये वाले ये जो डिसीजन है, आई ऑलरेडी न्यू अबाउट इट, और ये जिस तरह से हुआ है, आई एम टोटली ओके विद इट, एंड आई बिलीव दैट इट्स करेक्ट द वे इट हैज़ हैपेंड, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो आफ्टर वॉचिंग अक्षित yesterday realized that yes, the character, the kind of flavor he got, maybe that was also something like, you know, the character required, because it made me very, I don't know, curious to watch it, and it was fun yesterday. I still wish them all the best, because it's, at the end of the day, my family, मनपसंद की शादी, the entire team. Yeah.
राजश्री के साथ काम करने का आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है?
Oh, trust me, I couldn't have asked for a better launch than that. I still remember, it's not even hazy in my mind. I remember it like yesterday, that I was dancing on Bachna Hai Hasina and all, and Abhishek Diwan's tune that started in the background music. एंड देन सूरज सर वगैरह, समीर सर, सब लोग खड़े थे, हमने फोटोज़ खिंचवाई थी, डांस किया था, सेलिब्रेट किया था. सो इट हैज़ बिन अ वेरी, आई वुड से, incredible experience working with Rajshri, and I've always looked forward to Rajshri, and I've grown up watching Rajshri movies. So working with that production company was lovely for me, and same with Colors TV and their collaboration. Wow, there's nothing more I could have asked for. So,
एग्जिट से पहले आपने लास्ट किससे बात की थी, एंड आपने ये बात सबसे पहले किसको बताई थी?
okay. Exit से पहले, I don't like to name names, and I don't like to voice out my personal opinions, because everybody has their own opinions, so I don't want to talk over that. But in having said that, पूरी टीम में जब बात हुई थी, जिस तरह से बात हुई थी, it was all understandable, and it was a very respectful way the things were put forward, and it was a very smooth transition that we had. So there's nothing that I think can be exaggerated. This is as much as it was. तो इतना ही था जिस तरह से हुआ जी.
एक एक्टर जब किसी डेली सोप जैसे शो के लिए मतलब चूज़ किया जाता है, वो कंटिन्यूस में काम करता है, और सडनली जब उसको शो छोड़ना पड़ता है, बिकॉज आप कहीं पे अगर कहीं पे कोलैबोरेशन कर रहे हैं, कोई भी चीज़ हो, चाहे वो किसी शो के साथ हो, आप किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट के साथ कर रहे हो, तो आप ऑलरेडी कुछ और कमिटमेंट कर देते हो. जैसे आपके, अगर मैं ये फाइनेंशियल चीज़ें की बात करूँ, तो कुछ ना कुछ इंसान कमिटमेंट कर देता है कहीं ना कहीं. तो वो सारी चीज़ों पे कितना अफेक्ट होता है इससे, क्योंकि आपने भी कहीं ना कहीं कुछ प्लानिंग्स कर ली होंगी.
I do understand that, Ambika, but there's this saying in a lot of languages that तेरा लिखिया तेरे तो कोई हो नहीं सकता, जे रब दी मेहर हो तेनू वो भी मिल जू जो तेरा हो नहीं सकता. So I do believe in these things that whatever is meant for you will find its way, like how people say it. And also there's a saying of "Ke sera sera," like everything becomes good at the end of the day. I think that's what it means, because the thing is, whatever is meant to happen will happen. And at the same time, जो आपने मुझसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछा अभी कि फाइनेंशियल वे में, इस वे में, I whenever I'm doing something, I'm wholly solely into it. And at the same time, I'm still testing for other things because it's a creative field, it's performing arts. So as many projects you can get, you do those projects and then you manage the dates accordingly as per the acting part of it goes. So while doing this also, if an advertisement would have come up, I have tested for it. It didn't happen, it's okay. So same, I didn't think of it like that I should have found something else ताकि मैं इसको target कर सकूं. ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ मेरे साथ. And I've never thought of it like that. I've always been focused on one thing at a time. And उसके अलावा I've always been reading. So अभी जैसे अभी मैं scripts पढ़ रहा हूँ, एक script खुद लिख रहा हूँ, and मैं बीच में books पढ़ता हूँ. अभी मैंने गुरुदत्त साहब वाली एक book खत्म की. So yeah, I mean, I didn't have that thought personally.
एग्जिट करने के बाद सबसे ज़्यादा सवाल आपसे क्या किए गए शो के रिलेटेड?
ओके अंबिका, यही सवाल जो आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हो ये सवाल सबसे ज़्यादा किए जा रहे हैं कि शो की छोड़ा. गाइस, शो की डिमांड थी, हो गया, अब मूव ऑन. देयर इज अनदर थिंग टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू. सिमिलरली देयर आर मोर प्रोजेक्ट्स टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू. या
बट सेट से जब आपने लास्ट शॉट देकर आप निकले होगे, आपके लिए कितना इमोशनल था वो?
पर्सनली बिटर स्वीट था. इमोशनल एज सच इतना डिटेल्ड आउट नहीं था बिकॉज अभिषेक दीवान इज स्टिल विद इन मी. आई ऑलवेज बिलीव दैट यू कैन नेवर इमिटेट अ पर्सन टू 100% extent. Similarly, like if there's an actor that you admire so much, you can't act like this actor same way. And even if you do or you try to, that's called mimicry. So for me, Abhishek Dwan is still with me. So it was a bittersweet moment saying that I exit the story, but I lived that character pretty well until the time that I lived it. And people's opinions, their comments online, and my team telling me things about the character's nuances that they liked. I think I was home. Yeah. For me, that much was like enough to fuel my determination to keep striving, keep thriving. So, I mean, it was good. Yeah.
सूरज सर से कोई बात हुई थी आपकी?
नहीं, फिलहाल नहीं. सर बिजी है. आई थिंक वो फिल्म में बिजी है या कहीं किसी प्रोजेक्ट में बिजी है. मैं उनसे मिलूंगा जल्द ही. बट अगर मेरी बात हुई भी होती, so that's something which is very personal to me. I don't like to voice out discussions that I have with anybody behind closed doors. That's something which is very personal to me. But yeah, team से बात हुई थी. Everybody is like looking forward to कभी कोई नया project आता है, I'll test for it, I'll audition for it. Like राखी से इन सब से, like yeah, I'm looking forward to still working with them again because again it's performing arts. I love to perform for another character, which again kind of I would say challenge me, and I bring on different characteristics, traits to it. So that's something I'm looking forward to. Yeah.
जब आपने स्टार्ट किया होगा शूट करना, मतलब शो से जुड़ने से पहले, मतलब जब बात हुई, मीटिंग हुई होगी आपकी सर से, क्या वो ऐसी बातें थी सर की जिसने आपके कहीं ना कहीं आपके दिमाग में छाप छोड़ दी है जो आगे भी आपको काम आएगा?
Yeah, very good question, Ambika. So the thing is, sir ने एक चीज़ हमें बोली थी नरेशन के टाइम पे. I remember him telling me that whenever you come on set, remember in the morning, just say thank you to everyone that's there in your life, in your mind. Cleanse your energy and just come on set with clean mind, clear head and focus and get a good night's sleep always.
अगर मैं आपकी बात करूँ, आपकी पूरी एक्टिंग की जो जर्नी रही है, पूरी जितने सालों से भी आप हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग क्या रहा है आपके लिए?
So there was this one theatre play that I did called Hot House. In that play, I eventually turn out to be a serial killer. I think that body language of being a meek guy in the beginning and then eventually turning out to be the guy who actually killed everybody. Yeah. That transition in that theatre show within those 1.5 hours is the hardest thing that I ever did. And thanks to Rishabh Sood, that theatre director. Rishabh Sood Productions is the production house that did theatre. It was earlier formerly known as Teatro Espressivo. So I remember him working with me on that and he's like, you'll pull it off. And I used to open my eyes like this all the time. So that's the hardest thing I ever did in my life, yeah.
ऑल्सो रियलिटी शोज़ में कितने दिलचस्प है आपको?
reality shows when it comes to adventure sports is something that I'm very interested in, or travel show, talk show, Discovery Channel, Nat Geo पे भी आजकल आते हैं, or if there's like खतरों के खिलाड़ी, stuff like that really excites me because I'm a guy who loves extreme sports, and I miss actually scuba or like skydiving. So that's something, because I've done skydiving twice early in my life. So that's something that I'm looking forward to, any reality show which is with adventure sports. So I love that, yeah.
सबसे बड़ा रियलिटी शो तो आप भूल ही गए, इंडिया का बिग बॉस.
Yes, Big Boss is a great reality show, but Big Boss is the reality show where you're like inside the house and like, you know, you're doing certain tasks, you're performing. With all due respect to the show, I love the show, and Salman sir being the host is somebody I've always looked up to when I was growing up. Also, Salman sir, Shah Rukh sir, Tom Cruise, these three people I've always looked up to. So, you know, watching him, and it's a lot of fun to watch. At the same time, I have stayed in hostel for 11 years in my life. So, Big Boss is like a hostel. So, if I ever get the chance, I would love to consider it. But what I'm inclined towards is an adventurous reality show where, like, it challenges me physically, mentally, and I keep thinking about the next move that I'm gonna make, or if there's a certain task. For example, there are snakes, and I have to put my hand and get certain thing out of it in a time span. So I'm looking forward to those kind of tasks, how to do it, when to do it, because it challenges you, and the adrenaline rush that you get is something I'm always looking forward to. Yeah.
सो लास्टली मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है, जब आप मनपसंद की शादी के सेट पर लास्ट डे थे, जब आपके हाथ में स्क्रिप्ट रही होगी, बैक ऑफ द माइंड आपके क्या चल रहा था?
That I have to give my best in this particular scene, and I really want people to still resonate with me and not think like he has not given it his 100% because it's his last scene. And I'm really happy because my sister is my biggest critique. So what she told me is she didn't see any difference in any of the scenes I've done since day one till the day episode 40, since episode 1 to episode 41. So that's what makes me happy, that at least I was stagnant and consistent with my character, and I think the transition that was there with people's compliments and comments and emails that I've received, they liked it. So I think, because I can never judge my own performance, so on the last day, during the last scene also, nothing else was in my mind. I just wanted to give my 100% and stay in that zone, in that character. That's it. Yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग योर टाइम, और ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you.
पाइपलाइन में क्या है आपके, कुछ नया आने वाला है?
There is something, but again, I don't like to disclose it. But there is something for sure, and I'm still reading it. And at the same time, the दिलचस्प चीज़ जो है, that is, I'm trying my hand on writing now as well. So yeah, there's something, and I'll only act in it because I'm writing it that way. But it's going to be fun. I'm waiting for it. Yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच अक्षुण, एंड येस, लॉन्ग वे टू गो. जिस तरह से आप चीज़ें एकदम छुपा कर रखते हैं, इससे तो साफ पता चलता है कि बहुत आगे जाना है. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग योर टाइम. थैंक यू.